Hook a standing pin. The third lap is now gain, now loss. 9 short needles. Let's hook the first short needle. Marking buckle. Second pin. Always hook 9 short pins. The third round is halfway. End of drawing. And hook a standing pin. The fourth lap ends. Fold the circle in half. And then you pull it out here. Look at the needle across the way. Link. Hook a coil. Hook another coil. Just fold it in half and hook a short needle. A total of 4 hooks for short stitches. Second stitch. Third stitch. The fourth needle. Good. The fourth loop is off one. Hook a standing pin. Turn around and hook for short pins. The first short stitch. Second pin. The third short pin. The fourth short needle. Hook another. A stitch leaves a thread. Pull the retaining line tight. This thread will be used to sew the main body. Then disconnect. So this hand is done. You can pinch it. More 3-dimensional sands. Let it bulge. Everybody hook another one. Now we're going to hook the beard with a white thread. Loop stitch. 6 short needles. The first short stitch. Marking buckle. Second pin. A total of 6 hooks. When it's ready, pull it off. See if you can pull it. The thread is wrapped. Take it off again and you'll be able to pull it. And then cut the thread. Remove the marker buckle. Draw in the position of the marker buckle. Pull the thread tight. And hook a standing pin. Strain. Just leave a little bit. Stop line. You can grow it out. And then you cut it off after you've grown it. Because this one was glued on. So there's no need to leave the suture. Wrap the thread around the back. Just cut it off. Short lines can be plucked like this. Just shove it in the bag. Alright, now hook another one. Now we're going to hook the tail. The first loop is a loop stitch. 6 short needles. The first short stitch. Marking buckle. Second pin. The third short pin. The fourth needle. Stay wire. Snip. The first round is LUNUAFVY. Remove marker buckle. Drawing. Hook a standing pin. Make a second loop where the length is drawn. The second lap is now more or less 6 short needles. Put a marker on the first stitch here. Second stitch. 3 kinds of needles. Four kinds of needles. Five needles. Six kinds of needles. The second loop is done. We can push the side out. Remove marker buckle. Drawing. Tension wire. A rice pin. And then lapse through to 15. It's always been like this. It's just no needles. Do not reduce the needle 6 short needles. Hook the first short needle where the leg is drawn. Add marker buckle on line. Second stitch. Third stitch. Keep going like this till 15 turns. Each turn is 6 short pins. Let's hook it together. We've done 15 laps. Remove marker buckle. Drawing. Pull the thread tie and hook a standing pin. Pull the thread tie and leave the thread cast.